These are the 7 Hermetic principles of manifesting and creating. These principles are sometimes referred to as laws, and it's my opinion that these principles are so important to manifesting that I'm going to go ahead and leave this picture up for the duration of this video. And I'm now going to attempt to explain what these principles represent from a manifesting perspective in a way that anyone can understand. The first principle of manifesting is mentalism. Whenever you have a daydream or a fantasy, this is an aspect of mentalism. When we are incorporating this principle for the purpose of manifesting, you would be visualizing that which you want to create as if it's already happening. You are visualizing it as if it's taking place right now. The second principle is the principle of correspondence. The old Hermetic axiom, as above, so below, also translates to as within, so without. The world around you is a reflection of the world inside of you, and vice versa. Some modern pagan religions refer to this principle as the law of sympathy. The third principle, the principle of vibration. When we are altering our mood from sad to happy, we are actually strengthening our vibration. We are amplifying it. So when you are visualizing that which you want to create and are feeling the happiness as if it's truly taking place at this moment, we are elevating and amplifying our vibration, which will actually make it manifest much more quickly. The fourth principle, the principle of polarity. Everything on this physical plane has its polar opposite. And just like I've explained, when we change our mood from sad to happy, we are polarizing our emotion. We are altering it from one state to another. This is sometimes referred to as mental transmutation. We are changing our moods from one state to another, which is what transmutation means. It means to alter, to change from one state to another. The fifth principle, the principle of rhythm. Every situation you will encounter, every conversation that you have, has its own natural rhythm, its own natural flow. By understanding the previous principles, you can alter that rhythm. You can alter that flow. If you want to go with the flow and just be, then that's fine. If you want to manifest and create, then you have to understand the previous principles to alter the natural rhythm that you are experiencing. The sixth principle, cause and effect. Every effect has its cause, and every cause its effect. When we throw a pebble into a pond, we see the ripples spread out. And that's what we're doing here. That's a metaphor for what we're trying to implement, a change where we want to have a ripple effect. The definition of magic is implementing a change in conformity with the will. And we implement that change by understanding the previous principles, primarily the principles of mentalism, correspondence, and vibration. The last principle is the principle of gender, which is just an understanding of duality, male and female. We all have masculine qualities within us. We all have feminine qualities within us. One obviously dominates the other, depending on whether you are an actual male or female. But understanding this duality, you can actually rise above the duality of masculine and feminine, rage, peace, good, evil. So, understanding mentalism, correspondence, and vibration, the first three principles, we are actually controlling the remaining four. And if your manifesting in the past has been less than successful, it's more than likely due to the fact that you have not implemented these principles of manifesting and creating, primarily mentalism, correspondence, and vibration. So I hope this has helped you understand the 7 principles of the Hermetic philosophy, which is the crux of the Hermetic philosophy.